guys, this is Lynn from Papercraft. Today I decided to get in on hashtag Thrifty Thursday. I have a couple of items that I picked up at a thrift store and a bin store. So one of the things that I found that I just thought was adorable was this Scooby-Doo book. Now, growing up, I used to watch Scooby-Doo all the time. And so I just thought that this would be wonderful for journaling. I might even turn it into a junk journal. I'm not even 100% certain, but I don't think I paid maybe $1 for this book. I just think it's so adorable. I love it. Love it. I used to get up every Saturday morning just to watch Scooby-Doo. I came across this Nancy Kominski book. She's an artist, naturally. This book was back in, when was it constructed? This came out in 1979. And I got this book for $2 at the thrift store. So you can tell it's coming apart. But what I like about it is it has these beautiful images. I'm certain that she's painted. That's one. There's another. It's nice. Really befitting for journaling. Here's another one. I'm just gonna do a quick flip on here while I'm in it. So, one second. It's cute. I really like this one. Are there any more in here? Don't believe so. Okay. But that was a pretty decent find. I came across a few atlas maps, or a few maps. This is one that was in France. This is another one that was in France. I believe this is a French one as well, but for some reason, the person cut the cover off of it. But when I take a look at it, it says Roma. So I'm going to assume, yeah, it's another French map. So this is a wonderful find because you can always cut this down and turn it into several other things. So I'm glad I found that. Here is, I got this for 50 cents. This is, I thought it was a pattern, but in actuality, turn upside right. Forgive me. It's kind of ripping a little bit too. This is a, what is it? Let me see. Mainly sheds, kind of like a stencil, so to speak, a scallop arc sheet. Now, you know, I'm not going to, I would more than likely take and cut this down, or I might even just cut it into 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4, maybe 8 quarters, top and bottom, and just include it in a junk journal. Who knows? But this was 50 cents. Here is another one. This is by Better Homes. It is a giraffe growth chart. Now, to me, this is a little interesting. Let's see. Okay, now, wait a minute. There are several things. Okay, so this is sheet 1 of 1. This is sheet 2 of 2. 1 of 2, I'm sorry. Okay, so it has all of these little pieces to it, too. Hold on, let me turn around. Here's the giraffe. Here's the other side of the giraffe, his ear, all these little pieces. That's one side of it. And again, here's another piece of it. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm sorry, I got a paper clip. So here's the rest of it. That was funny to me. And, okay, so it has all this extra stuff in here. So, okay, this is interesting. I didn't realize all this was in here. So I guess whenever I take it out and lay it out completely, it'll create this. What I like is this little vintage page right here, because we know it is. And then, what is this? These are some instructions. Okay, giraffe growth chart. Some instructions for it. That's cute. Wonderful. All right. What I'm going to do is take and put it all back together. And use the same paper clip that I didn't see at first. Stick it to the side. All right. I also came across, what is it, Canada's Vacation Lands. I think this probably was maybe 50 cents. Another map. I like this. I always be cut down, right? So I like this a lot. This is cool. Came across this. This was my very first car. I came across this Honda Accord mechanics book. One of the reasons I love this is because so many times we said we're going to work on journals for men, and it kind of escapes us a little bit. And I just feel like these mechanical books really do. I think they go well with the, potentially working on a journal or something. Excuse me, I think these go well with working on a journal or something for a man. They're very masculine, I think. But I like these images too. So even if it wasn't for a guy, just the fact that these images are very mechanical is something that I like about it. Okay? And actually, it's vintage, it's old, so I like that too. Then I came across this solo time, this book for strings. Hold on, let's cut this out. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so it says Solo Time for Strings, book number 4. Well, I don't know what the other 3 books are, but okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's see when this was out. This came out. I don't know. Let's see. This has been out since about, I don't know. I'm saying. Okay, well. Nonetheless, I like the book because, you know me, I love to work with music pages. And I will more than likely take these, deconstruct this book, and use them in something else. So I like these a lot. Here's where I started to get excited. I came across some other music. Grease. Oh my gosh. I watched Grease so many times when it finally, I watched it as a child. I watched Grease so many times when it finally came to HBO and stuff like that. I was just excited just to see it. I was. Grease was my show. I loved it. Here it is. I got to make up my mind on what I want to do with this. I really do, but I really like this a lot. So I'm glad I got this. Hold on, let's see what was that. Yeah. Look. Yeah, I like this. So that's one. Came across the score for The Big Chill. Wow. All right there together. This was like, wow. It's coming apart, so I'm going to have to eventually just take and pull it on apart. But still, the fact that I found this was phenomenal. Then, I came across the score for Annie. I like this. Daddy Warbucks. Oh, it's got pictures in it too. Oh, I love this. So, I'm so excited about this. Even if I take and deconstruct this a little bit and hold on to some of the pages, I still can use the covers at some point in time. I came across this Woody's book. Now, this came out in, let me see. I thought this was just rather interesting. Let me see. Let me double check something here. It was first published in 1995. Okay? What I like about this is, even though it was published in 1995, it just covers a lot of vintage Fords. These are station wagons. And so, no, I more than likely, I am going to end up eventually deconstructing this book. What I've been doing is kind of looking at it to see if I tear, you tear away some. I've been looking to see if I tear the pages, will it affect an opposite page on, say, like this. It wouldn't do me any good. If I tear this, I could, I would have to give someone these pages, or the person would only be able to use this page or that page. So I'm trying really hard to make sure it's a full spread whenever I take and deconstruct these. But still, this looks good. That looks nice to me. I don't know if it was a prototype or what, but I still liked it. Okay. And my fabulous find. I was really surprised. Now, I put some batteries into it, and I can't figure it out just yet. But I'm going to. I came across this wireless keyboard. I am so excited to use this wireless keyboard. Now, I tried a moment ago to turn it on. I don't know how to do it, so I'm going to have to do a little research. I replaced the batteries in it, but I'm going to have to take and look it up to figure it out. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Because when I noticed that my iPad was trying to pair with it, but I can't figure out how to turn it on. So, this is my wonderful find for Thrifty Thursday. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. If you subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. Have fun. I'd appreciate it. Take care.